You're stranded, no faucet, no store, just wilderness. So here's the question. Could you find clean water, right now? Stick with me for 2 minutes and I'll show you a simple hack that could save your life, anywhere on Earth. First, nature leaves clues. Look for damp ground, animal tracks, or lush green plants. These signs often point to hidden underground moisture or nearby sources like roots or runoff. And don't ignore man-made spots. Gutters, tarps, even AC units can drip enough to survive. No filter? No problem. Here's the hack, the solar still. Dig a hole, place a container inside, add some green plants or even dirty water. Cover with clear plastic, seal the edges with dirt, and place a small rock in the center. As the sun heats it, clean condensation drips into the cup, pure and drinkable. Pro tip? Add a drinking straw through the plastic so you don't break the seal. Oh, and want a bonus trick? Use a black container to heat things up faster. Or if you have it, line the hole with foil. That's it. A clean water source anywhere from almost nothing. Seriously, learn these hacks now, not when it's too late. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more real survival tools, from home to wild, now to future.